What's going on, y'all? JT here with a Super Speed Saturday test of my Hobiles 7-scale VTE2. So I'm still running this kind of with the 6S system, so I'm not going to really run it that hard. But I do have, get this body off real quick, show this to you guys. Do have my GPS in there. I'm going to make sure this is catching real quick before I put this body on. And I am running these two new RC Hackers 3S LiPo. So right now it's just a basic kind of 6S setup for it, but I do want to make sure kind of that this GPS is catching before I put this body on. Look at them brakes. Got that thing geared like that. So, all right, so GPS is catch. You guys see that at 10 miles per hour. But I'm running a 2200 kV motor in here. And it still has some of the basic setups for it. But I did want to kind of get this out. This is a Betty by Design body that I have on here. I'm going to see if I can slap this on here. So I do have to make a few adjustments to this. And I am running some GRP S1 compound tires. I do have a set of Hooms for me because this body is kind of designed for, I think it is for the felony and infraction because it does have kind of a gap back behind here, but I got to make some adjustments. I do need to lower this down just a little bit to where it's there, but I'll work on those adjustments. So hopefully everything works fine with this. So let me get these body pins in, let me quit my yapping, and let's go ahead and let's do a quick, probably 1 or 2 passes at the most and check the speeds on this. Hopefully everything stays down, I don't catch too much air with this, and we'll see what kind of speeds we get. So let me get this set up and let's take this puppy out for a run. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and try this. Now, I did do a quick walk through to this area just to see if there was any big rocks or anything. I didn't see anything, but I really haven't tested this since I put the new tires and wheels on it, this new body or anything. So I may do the first pass kind of slow. And it's pollen on the ground too, which sucks. But these GRPs should be good. But I did bring a set of Hooms just in case I'm catching too much air. But let's go ahead and let's try this. Ooh, that's going good. If I can get it to stop. All right, let's come on back down real quick. And we had a little bit of a shutdown there, so this motor may be too much for this speed controller. And y'all, guess what, y'all? Guess what? Guess what? I forgot my temp gun. Of all things to forget. Look at all that pollen in them wheels. Look at that. That's only been 1 pass. So let's see what we got here real quick. I'm just gonna do a finger temp test with this. I didn't get up to full speed. So definitely gonna be making some adjustments to this. But I am curious what I did on that quick light pass. Look at all that pollen. Look at that. Look at that, 95. Motor's not that bad. Motor's not that bad at all. So let me let this probably chill for just a second. We're gonna leave this at 95 miles per hour, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna test this one more time to see if we can get 100 out of this particular setup. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to do this next pass. Oh. And adjust this steering just a bit. Get this steering adjusted, there we go. All right. We're gonna have to go down a little bit further and try to build up to this. And that's not bad. These batteries are 54 bucks for 2. All right, get it right about there. Hopefully you guys can see it. And bring this on down. Let's gradually build up to this. That's full speed, oh, almost just about. I think it's still got a little limitation, but. There we go. So remember, I really don't have this set up for super high speeds just yet. Don't need to do another pass, need to let this thing chill down a little bit. This body looks so good on here. I need to find a center diff to fit this so I can just run this in general. But let's see. Whoa, you see all that pollen? Oh my God. Look at this, y'all. Look at all that pollen in there. That's why I don't want to run it too hard. With all this pollen out here, give it another week or 2 and we'll be a little bit better. But we're trying to see what we got speed-wise for this. I do need to get some body tethers and stuff for that. So let's see what we got. Booyah! Look at that. That's just what I was trying to do. I'm happy. I'm gonna stop. We hit 100 just like this. And this isn't even set up for a lot of speed. So I definitely will be getting the larger motor mount so I can put a bigger motor in here and run 8S on here. But I'm happy. And the motor's getting hot. I mean, I could do about 3 seconds on there. So I'm fine like this is with this setup. So I definitely will be doing a lot more to this setup soon. It was so smooth when it ran. But anyway, 100 miles per hour. I am happy with that. It's smooth, it's light, and they got a lot of modifications for this. So Hobile's got a winner here with this one. But anyway, guys, let me quit my yapping because I'm talking a lot. I'll keep talking about the setup in the car. But I do owe you guys a more in-depth review of this car as far as some of the adjustments and stuff you can do for this. But I'll do that in a later video. But God, look at all that. That was only like 2 or 3 passes off this pollen. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.